believe it's been 10 years since I started my journey in hospitality industry. It feels like yesterday when I was a student learning about guest service, management, and event planning. But if there's one thing I've realized over the years is that technical writing is far more important than I ever expected. Then I thought hospitality was all about hands-on experience, but today I just see how writing plays a crucial role in my success. You see, in this industry, communication is everything. Every day I rely on technical writing to keep things running smoothly. Whether I'm drafting standard operating procedures, writing manuals, or creating a detailed event proposal for clients. Professional writing ensures that nothing gets lost in transition. Without a well structured communication, things may go wrong. A simple, well written document can mean the difference between a smooth hotel and complete chaos. Think about it. If an, if an employee doesn't understand the policies or if a guest complaint isn't handled professionally, it may damage the business. That's why I make sure every email, report, guideline is clear and precise. So, if you're a hospitality student right now, here's my advice. Don't underestimate the power of writing. Learn how to write concisely and professionally. Whether you're managing a hotel, running a restaurant, or planning a large event, strong writing skills will always give you an advantage. Technical writing isn't just about reports, it's about making sure your team understands the instructions, your clients trust your communication, and your guests feel valued. The better you communicate, the smoother everything runs. So, looking ahead, I know this skill will continue to shape my career. So, to my younger self and future hospitality of course, embrace technical writing. Trust me, you won't forget it.